Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple is reportedly making a major shift in the iPhone 17 Pro Max's build. iPhone 17 Pro Max and Air will be heavily inspired by two other products. After years of mostly unchanged iPhone lineups, Apple has already shaken things up this year by debuting the iPhone 16e instead of the expected new iPhone SE. The company is just getting started though. As this fall's iPhone 17 family, particularly the Air and Pro Max, will change even more, with direct inspiration from the Apple Watch. On the other hand, the new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max will get a new portrait telephoto camera with major upgrades. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are rumored to offer three 48-megapixel cameras for the very first time. The telephoto camera will supposedly receive a new sensor and a portrait lens, which could result in three major advantages over the telephoto camera found inside the current iPhone 16 Pro. Recent rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max will be equipped with three 48-megapixel cameras, instead of combining a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, which is the setup found on the iPhone 16 Pro. However, according to the latest information from leaker Majin Buu official, the iPhone 17 Pro's telephoto camera is receiving far more upgrades than just a higher resolution. Apple could opt for a new lens, with a 35mm equivalent focal length of 85mm, instead of the 120mm of the iPhone 16 Pro, meaning the lens will only offer 3.5x, instead of 5x optical zoom. This focal length is said to be perfect for portraits. In fact, 85mm lenses are among the most popular portrait lenses in small format cameras. This new telephoto camera could offer three major advantages compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. First of all, the camera is said to be significantly brighter, which should result in less noisy low-light photos. In practice, this should also mean that the lens aperture will be wider than f2.8. Second, the new iPhone camera could be more flexible, as Apple is expected to enable lossless digital zoom up to a 35mm equivalent focal length of 160mm, which is similar to how the iPhone 16 Pro main camera takes photos with 2x zoom. Last but not least, the higher resolution 48-megapixel photos are said to give photographers more freedom when cropping images afterward. Whether or not these leaked details are accurate will be revealed with the iPhone 17 launch, which is expected to be scheduled for September 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.